Good morning, students. Today we are going to enter into the new chapter that is called Playing with Numbers. Okay, playing with numbers. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn about what is that factors and what is that multiples. So before that, in introduction part, one person, so namely here they mentioned Ramesh. Okay, so Ramesh has 6 laddus. Okay, so Ramesh has 6 laddus and then he wants to arrange them in terms of row wise. Okay, so what is mean by row? So here, see, for example, in the prayer in school assembly, so here one person, 2, 3, 4, and here 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 students. Totally how many students? So 8 students. They are standing for the prayer. So here row means what and column means what. See, this is that row wise. Okay, so how many row wise? There are here 1 row, here 2 row. So row means horizontal wise. Okay, so row means rows. So which means we have to count that in horizontal. Okay, column means what is mean by column? So column means it is called in vertical manner. Okay, so we'll come to this example, but I will say before that, if you are standing in the prayer, that means in any one of the class or 8 members they are standing. So how many row wise? So there are 2 rows, right? 2 rows. So how many columns? So I have to split the column. So column means vertical. So this is one column. Okay, just I will draw in some other color. Okay, so this is column wise, this is column wise, and this is column wise. Okay, can you understand? Now we can say how many rows are present. So how many rows? 1, 2. So horizontal wise there are 2. So what is that row means? This is called rows. Okay, so that rectangular box represent rows and the oval shape which represent columns. Now how many rows? This one, 2 rows. How many columns? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 cross 4. So this arrangement is 2 cross 4. If you go into that higher class, you will learn about it. But anyway, you have just to know about what is meant by row, what is meant by column. Row means horizontal wise, column means vertical wise. Now Ramesh has 6 laddus. So he want to arrange that all the laddus in each row. Okay, so in each row has the same number. Each row has the same number of laddus. So what are the possible kind of arrangements? First, I will take that laddus. Okay, so what are the possible way? I will write here. Okay, so first here I will take 1 laddu, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right? So here how many rows are present? See here, this is 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, 5 row, 6 row. In each row, he took only 1 laddus. Am I right? Okay, so what is the concept is totally 6 laddus he is having. See, he want to arrange that all the laddus in the row wise, but what is the condition? In each row same number of laddus only have to be placed. So here 1 laddu. So all the row I placed same number of laddus, that is 1 laddus. Okay, any other possible arrangement is there, sir? Okay, now I will take 2 laddus. 1, 2. Okay, here 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. So totally just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that means how many laddus totally? So here 6, here also 6 laddus, here also 6 laddus. So in each row, how many laddus? Each row 2 laddus. So each row same number of laddus I can split. So I can able to write this one as how many row wise. So here how many rows? 1 here. See here how many rows? 1, 2, 3. So 3 rows into 2 columns. So we can write this order 3 rows into 2 columns. So this one 6 rows into 1 column. Okay, 6 rows into 1 column we can write. This kind of just order only. Any other way we can place that laddus in equal number of spaces. So here I will take in one row 1, 2, 3. And one more 1, 2, 3. So totally 6 laddus present, no? So how many rows? In one row. In one row here also 3 laddus, here also 3 laddus. So that means equally I placed. So that means how many rows here? 2 rows here present. How many columns? 3 columns present. Okay. So any other way we can able to write. For example, I will take one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one is 5, 6. Now this is correct or not? This one. See, in the first row I placed 4 laddus. But in the second row only I placed 2 laddus. But what is the condition? The condition is actually in each row you have to be placed same number of laddus. That is the condition. That means we cannot write 4 into 2. Okay. So we cannot write into 4 into 2. So that's wrong. Okay. 4, one is 4, another one is 2. We can't able to space because here some space is there. So that we didn't place any laddus here. So even in that 5, one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Here in that one row fully I placed 5 laddus. Here 1 laddu only I placed. Here empty space only. So that means we cannot arrange that equal number of laddus. If we put 5 laddus means total count will be 10 will come. But here what they given? 6 laddus only. So any other way, sir? Any other way we can able to place it, sir? Okay. So here just look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in one row itself fully I just completed 6 laddus. Now what is the meaning? What they said? So if you have taken, how many row you have taken? That row fully you have to place it equally. So one row I have taken, one row fully 6 laddus I can place it. Okay. So that means this also correct. Okay. So one row fully I can able to place all the laddus. Okay. Otherwise one column fully I can able to place that one. Okay. So why, sir, I have to say? So this one you have to know. Why you have to know? You know how to split the number equally. Then only it will be easy for you. Okay. So when I'll teach the problem, then you can understand better manner. So here it's a like kind of introduction they give. Okay. So how many number you have taken, whether you can able to write in equal manner, equal rows, you can able to write or not. Okay. So that is the concept they given. So once we solve that problem means it will be very easy for you. Okay. The next one. See, in this lesson, what we are going to see, factors and multiples. That's a major thing. Okay. So first I will write factors and multiples. Okay. So factors and multiples. So first thing, if you look at that factors. Okay. So what is mean by factors? Okay. First one, you just take one number. Okay. So I will take here one number 4. So I will take one number 4. See, in that 4, you have to think about in 4, what are the tables it will come so that completely it will be divided. Okay. Completely it should be divided. So that means completely divide means remainder should come 0 only. Okay. So if you take any number, so you just divide it. For example, I will take 1. Okay. First I will take 1. So just in 4, how many times 1 will come? 4 ones are 4. So remainder 0. That means this 1 completely divides that number 4. Okay. Completely divides. That means I will write 1. Okay. Next, any other table it will come or not. Check it. 4. So 2 table will come or not. 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. That means this 2 completely divide this number 4. So that means 2 also will divide it completely. Next, if you take 3, so 3 means what is the thing? 3 means 4. So outside 3 you have to put 1 3s are 3. 4 minus 3 1. So here what is the thing is, so remainder is there. So remainder, it should not be 0. Okay, so here if it is 0 only, we can say it should be completely divided. Okay, so but here 1 I'm getting 1, so that means we cannot say that 3 should be completely divide that number 4. So next to 4 number. Okay, so 4 we can divide it 4 completely. 1 4s are 4, so remainder 0. Now just look at that, which are the things 0 will come. So here 1 0, here 1 0, remainder 0. So which are the numbers? So 1 and 2 will divide completely, and 4 will divide it completely. So 1 2 and 4. Okay, so 1 2 and 4. Okay, so can you understand this one? So this is called factor of 4. So factor of 4 means which are the tables it will come. One table it should be completely divide, second table completely divide, third table completely divide. So I will write here what is meant by the factor. So the basic definition about that factor, what is meant by factor. So actually, so factor, it's a number. Okay, so factor, it's a number, and it should be divided exactly of that number. Okay, so it's a kind of number. Okay, any one of the number. So it's a number is an exact divisor or exact divider. Okay, exact divisor of that number. See what is the meaning is. So factor, for example, factor. So factor of 4. What are the numbers? 1 2 4. So I will take 1. So 1 is the factor of 4. 2 is the factor of 4. 4 is the factor of 4. Okay. So first one, that 1. So 1 is a number. It's an exact divisor. It should be exactly divide. No, exact divisor is nothing but when you divide that number, 0 should come. Okay, the remainder should come 0. So that is the exact divisor. Okay, can you understand? So this come exact divisor. So factor, it's a number, it should be divide that number completely. That is the main meaning of this one. Okay, so I will give one more example. Okay, for example 6. Find the factor of 6. Okay, so if I give example means you can understand in the better manner. Find the factor of 6. So 6 means first you will take. Okay, 6 you will just write it. 6. First one, what are the tables it should come? Just follow it. Okay, so I will put the line first. Okay, so this is for that previous case. Okay, 6. What are the tables it will come? First one table. So one table. So 6 will divide in one table. 6 will divide in one table. No. So first one 6. Here 1. So 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 6 0. So one table completely divide. That means remainder is should come 0. That means this 1 divide this number completely. Okay, move to that second one. So just second table, just check it whether it will be completely divided or not. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. That means here also completely dividing. Okay, moving to the third table. Okay, so third table, moving to that. Okay, so here what is the thing is, 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 6 0. Next to one, fourth table, just look on that fourth table. 6 4 1 4s are 4. 6 minus 4 2. So here the remainder it not be 0, it should be 2. That means the 4 will not be the exact divisor of that number. If it is not the exact divisor of that number, we can say 4 is not a factor of 6. Okay, and one more thing, 5 also. If you just look on that 5, so here I will put 5. So 6 5. Just check on it. 1 5s are 5. So 6 minus 5 1. So 1. So here also not 0 number. So remainder should not be, remainder is not 0 here. So that means this 5 will not be the exact divisor of that 6. So if it in the case, it should not be the factor of 6. So next move on to that sixth table. So sixth table means 6 6 1 6 are 6, 6 minus 6 0. Okay. Okay sir, what is the observation you can say? See, first I have taken 4, second I have taken 6. So what are the factors of this number? 1 it can divide completely, 2 it can divide completely, 3 it can divide completely, and 4 5 will not divide by completely. That means 5 is 5 6 5 also will not complete, right? So 6 only will complete. That means, see here, when you find the factor of any number, see what is the observation. See, here also 1 is coming, here also 1 is coming, and if you have taken any number, all the numbers it should be divided by 1. Okay, all the number it should be divided by 1. So I will write here, all the number divide by 1.